In our last video, we talked about installing ToolManageriQ and licensing it, so you should be able to launch it at that point. But if you haven't selected a database for it to use yet, then it will open the database configuration wizard and allow you to do that. ToolManageriQ installs SQL Express, so you'll have a local server to use if you'd like. But if you want to use your own SQL server, then you may have to use the SQL Server Management Studio to set up a database on that, and then you can point to it using this wizard. And in the first page, I'm just going to press Next, and that'll take me to the server selection page. I have a few that exist, but the default one is the Tool Manager one, so you should have that to pick. And then any others that you want to use, you would pick them here and enter your login details if needed. But I don't need that, so I'll just press Next. And then it'll allow you to create a new database on that server. So right now, if I didn't have any database that existed, I would use this name or change it if I'd like, and it would create that database on that server. If databases already exist on that server, then you can click on this check mark and you'll see them here. So if you've created them already, then you'll want to pick it in this list. And if you put a name in here that matches the name here that already exists, it will give you an error. So since I've already made this database, I'm going to go ahead and pick it down here and then press Next. And that's all I need to do. And when I press OK, it'll connect to that SQL server and launch ToolManageriQ. You can go about your business using that server, but if you ever want to change it, you can do that by going into the settings and going to the connection tab. And it has ellipsis buttons for choosing another server if you'd like. You can see the ones that may exist on the network as well, maybe not a local server. And the same thing for the database itself. So that'll list whatever databases are on that server so that you can change it if you'd like. Login details as well if needed. So it's always changeable, but you'll just have to do that one time at least at the start before you start using ToolManageriQ. So if you ever have any problems with that, feel free to reach out to the support email or give us a call, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching.